What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna unbox Choki. So here's like boy cards. It's boy, Kwasa to Joe. Kwasa is like power, then Jojo is 7. Power 7. So it's like Choki. So it's Choki. And the flavors is chocolate base. Now let's. I just got one pack. It looks different than the other one. Oh no, it's green. Oh, it's stuck. Oh, it's already open. Okay, it's open. I try not to. There. Try not to there. Okay. I accidentally see it. Okay. First cut is. Oh, we got Papa Zola Punch. This is attack skill card. Oh my gosh, Papa Zola Punch. His second card is. Oh, Red card. Fang Super Tiger Shadow. Fang Super Tiger Shadow. Oh my gosh, red card every time for me. Oh, skill card, boy. Oh, awesome. So 5 plus 1 plus 1, 7. No. 700, guys. 700. 700, right? Yes, even no. So we got Papa Zola Punch, skill card. Papa Zola Punch. Oh, we have no defense card today. Awesome. So next we have, this is my favorite one, which is Fang Super Tiger Shadow. And the next one is Boy Skill Card. So guys, so this package looks like. I'm doing this way. I want to buy another one. Sorry guys. I was gonna show this to you. So this is all the chocolate. This is a chocolate paste. Chocolate paste thingy. I just gonna look for my Arabic class. So this is the 3 cards that got. Let's recap what we have. We got the first card we have that we unboxed, which is skill card, Papa Zola Punch. Look, I have no defense card, lucky. Oh, I have no attack card. I thought this was attack card and this was defense card. Okay, we got Papa Zola Punch, which is skill card. We got 2 skill card. So next we have, so I got 12, 13, 14, 15. I got 15 cards of this, like this kind of cards. So next, the second that I see, which is Red card, which is Fang Super Tiger Shadow. Fang Super Tiger Shadow. Next, the last that we unbox, which is Boy Skill Card. So I'm gonna eat chocolate. I bring this to swimming tomorrow, guys. I'm gonna bring some. I'm gonna bring 3 of these. So 2 left at home. So 3 for my swimming thing. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give a big thumbs up if you enjoy. Subscribe if you're new. And comment down below if I can get more Choki. Oh, there's only 2 more packs. What am I going to do here? You think they're going to put more Choki in there? I don't think so. I get one which is the chocolate is smushed. So I get another one which is the chocolate is not smushed yet. Oh, the chocolate is good. So, my favorite card is this one. I like this one's better. I got 3 red. I got 4 red cards because plus this one. I was gonna hope for boy. Oh, so make sure to give a big thumbs up if you enjoy, subscribe if you're new, and turn on post notification to be on the notification squad, guys. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.